What is going on, guys? It's Aryan Racing back with another YouTube video. Today we are gonna unbox TOMICA premiums, not Hot Wheels today. We have got two with us, the Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo GTES, as well as the Lamborghini Countach 25th Anniversary Edition. I am super pumped to share this with you today, and I hope you guys have an amazing time looking at them. So if you guys do, please comment which one you like most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more content on YouTube as well as TikTok. But without further ado, let us step right into the video and explore these very two nice cars. So right off the bat, we're going to look at the box that it comes with. It's a very rather simple box, nothing much. So let us first open the Nissan Skyline, because let's leave the best for the last. And yeah, honestly a bit disappointing on the packaging, because I at least expected a stronger plastic box to maybe protect the car, but all we get is a little plastic bag with the car. Regardless, it's perfectly fine. And we're gonna have a look around, a very thorough walkthrough of the entire vehicle right in front of us, and I'm gonna tell you all the bits and features of this vehicle and why the TOMICA premiums are, they have a lot of potential. So looking at the front, one thing I really want to say is that hood. You can see the different lines of the hood, and it actually has textures, which is simply amazing. And if you look at these sides, you can see the gold rims, that 2000 Turbo and the Skyline logo, as well as the golden trim along the body of the car. Really amazing. At the back, we have the the lights, as well as the Nissan and Turbo logo and that muffler with the exhaust pipes. And we move on to the other side, you have the same logo as well. And the amazing thing is the doors open. And if you guys are viewers of my channel, you know that I do love cars that can open doors and stuff like that. So really super pumped to have this car in my collection, because this really allows the creators to put more details in the interior, which you can see here, the steering wheel and the seats as well. But yeah, towards the end I'll show you a bit more of the interior. But let us just look at the top. Really very subtle paint job, I would say. Normal black color with that gold trim and the gold rims, and that's amazing, really. Let's look at the base of the vehicle now. We have the TOMICA logo, the Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo GTES writing at the bottom as well, and the really cool details, the axles, the transmission, that muffler. It's really an amazing car with a lot of details, and really I think, considering the TOMICA, I really love it. And now we're going to move on to the Lamborghini, the best of the purchases that I have made. Now this is a Countach 25th Anniversary, and I am super pumped and super stoked to have this vehicle in my collection. So let's open. Once again, a bit disappointing on the plastic bag, I'd say. Nothing else in the box, but it's a Lamborghini Countach, that's amazing by itself. So it's in this red color, which it just adds on to the beauty of the vehicle. And we're gonna have a very thorough look around once again of this entire vehicle, the Lamborghini Countach 25th Anniversary. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that as well. The wheels spin perfectly, which is amazing. Let's look at the front of the vehicle. I know it's not as menacing as brand new Lamborghinis in today's era, but considering was in the 1990s, it's an amazing vehicle. The doors don't open, however, unfortunately. That would have been really cool, but the hood does open at the back, and we'll get to that in a bit. But the wheels, like I said, is spin. And one thing I'd really like to say is the rims on this vehicle. They've actually managed to replicate the actual rims, and I think that's a very amazing little detail, to see the rims almost exact. And now we have the back of the vehicle with that exhaust pipes as well, and the other side, nothing much, the air ducts, but there's a very chill, very subtle design. There's not much sophisticated bits and pieces here and there, but a Countach is a Countach, and they always have these lines, which just makes it so ever so menacing. And now we're going to show you the hood that I was talking about, and that's the only removable bit here, and I really love it. Let's just try to look at the engine bay. Unfortunately, you can't really see, but there you go, ladies and gentlemen. With my flash on, you can see the entire engine bay. Now this is actually a V12 engine, a 5.2 liter V12, which produces about 450 brake horsepower. So that's an insane amount of power for this vehicle that honestly was made in 1990. So that's that's a very long time ago. and this was actually one of the fastest version of the Countach that Lamborghini made, and it could reach its top speed of almost about 300 kilometers per hour, which is about 180 190 miles per hour. So that itself is amazing and insane, and I really love this vehicle. I mean, if you're a Lamborghini fan like me, definitely Countachs are they're one of the iconic Lamborghinis that we have, isn't it? And I really love this paint job. And now we're gonna do a comparison between the Lamborghini and the Skyline that I bought. It's really two very amazing purchases. It's way more expensive than the Hot Wheels that I have, but I don't have any regrets. I think these two are amazing vehicles, amazing finds, and I'm super pumped to have them in my collection, and I hope you guys are excited as well. But with this, I actually made another purchase that I'm about to show you, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra from the Fast and Furious franchise. And this is a Toyota Supra driven by Paul Walker himself, and I think to have this exact replica is amazing. It's insanely awesome, and to have these three together in this lineup, look at that. Oh my, what a lineup. I really love the fact that I managed to get all three of them together. So let's just have a look around. Here's the Lamborghini Countach, brilliant brilliant red, and here's the Nissan Skyline 2000 GT with that glossy paint job and the golden rims. And lastly, like I said, the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra. I've actually done a so-called review video of the Supra in my TikTok account. So guys, the TikTok link will be in the description below. So please have a look. Please subscribe to my TikTok for more unboxing and reviews as well. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun, and I was super pumped when I managed to get these from the store, and I couldn't wait to share with you guys. So yeah, thanks for supporting my channel. We don't have much subscribers, but my views has been increasing, so I really appreciate all your support and enthusiasm for my vehicles. So yeah, we're just gonna look around the vehicles a bit, because why not? I mean, these are simply amazing vehicles, and especially with the hood up and the doors open for the Skyline. Unfortunately though, no parts of the Toyota Supra open, but it does have a convertible roof, so I guess that really makes up for it. So yeah, really amazing finds. Guys, if you guys want to know where I got them from, please you can ask me in the comments. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, nothing more to add. I really love these vehicles. Look at the Toyota Supra, that glossy orange paint with that amazing decal, that nice Nissan Skyline, and the Lamborghini Countach. I mean, those are dream cars, guys. I mean, if you're a car guy like me, you love cars. These are cars that you really want in your collection. The Supra, the Countach, the GTR. And yeah, so here are a few photographs of the vehicles that I have, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome unboxing and reviews. But just like that, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.